Hello everybody, welcome to Priya's channel. So today we are making Shami Kebab recipe. For that we need to soak the chickpeas and black chanas overnight or at least for 8 hours. Then we will put it in the pressure cooker. We will add onion, ginger, garlic, green chili, cumin seed, coriander seed, cardamom, black cardamom, cinnamon, clove and black pepper. Then I'm adding here chicken. You can add any meat or it's optional. You don't need to add any meat here. After that we will add 2 cups of water, turmeric powder and salt. Then we will put all the things together in the pressure cooker and then wait for 5 whistles. After 5 whistles, when it will be done, make sure there will be less water in the pressure cooker so that it will be dry. The kebabs will be in perfect in shape. Now we will put the ingredients in the chopper. I have a manual chopper, so I'm using it. If you have the electrical chopper, then well and good. Make sure when you are chopping it, it should not be a smooth paste. It should be granule based paste because it's a shami kebab when you will eat it, so that the granules should come into your mouth. So see how I have done. It's not a very smooth paste. It's a coarse paste. So with this paste, I can make the shami kebab perfect in shape. Now we will add 2 spoons of besan, 2 spoons of lemon juice, fresh coriander leaves and fresh mint leaves, both chopped. Now when all done, now we will make the shami kebab tikki. Shami kebab tikki, normally it's of round shape, but you can make it as per your choice. So what I do, sometimes I make it round, sometimes I put it in some of the shapes as per my daughter's choice because children like shapes. So I have some mold, I use those mold and I put it into those molds so that the children it will be easy to give them. Now when the shami kebab tikkis are ready, keep it in a steel plate in a distance and put it in the deep freezer so that they will not stick together. At least keep it for 1 to 2 hours of time. Now the shami kebab are ready. Keep it into a Ziploc bag into the deep freezer so that you can use it at least or maximum you can use it for 1 to 2 weeks of time. It's a ready-made food and children will like it, you will like it, and it will save a lot of time of yours because it's a ready-made one. You can eat with paratha like tikka paratha. You can eat it with like a sandwich, put it into the sandwich. Normally I give my daughter it like a sandwich. See, I have made the sandwich here, a shami kebab sandwich. So this is Priya. You were watching my channel. I hope you like the recipe. Please share your views with me. Till then, stay blessed, stay home, stay safe. Bye-bye.